Welcome back, great leaders. We're looking at subtraction first today. We've dealt with addition in the previous class. Let's consider subtraction today. Here on the board we have y minus 3 is equal to 2. We'll ask to make y the subject, or we should find y. And I said it's the same thing. You may be asked to find y or to find a specific variable, or you may be asked to make that particular variable the subject of the relation or the formula. The same idea is applied. All the basic mathematical concepts you've been taught, you need to apply them to help you make y or that particular specified variable to become the subject of the formula. Here on the board we have y minus 3 is equal to 2. So we want to solve to see that y becomes alone at the other part of the equation. But y has a pain or a barrier or a stumbling block that will make it not to stand alone at the right hand side. We need to remove that particular pain or that barrier. Now, the barrier is minus 3. That pain is minus 3. We need to take out the minus 3 to the other part of the equation, which is the left hand side where we have 2. But remember I said you must not displace the value we have or the number we have at this other part of the equation. Write them before you put the other ones you're carrying to where they are. So we have y minus 3 is equal to 2. For y to stand alone, we're going to have y is equal to, I'm taking this number to the other side, that becomes 2 plus 3. So y is equal to 5. That is the result. As simple as that. Some other person may want to use the method add 3 to both sides. So when you have y minus 3 is equal to 2, the person will tell you add 3 to both sides. We have y minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3, you've been taught this simple aspect of integers, becomes 0. You're owing 3 and you have 3. When you pay the 3, you have nothing with you. So we have y is equal to 5. It's the same way or the same answers. Now let's see for letters or true. We have p minus r is equal to 6. They said make p or make r the subject, make p the subject, make p the subject. So we have that p minus r is equal to 6. We want to make p to stand alone, but p has a barrier of minus r. For p to stand alone, we need to take minus r to where we have 6. That becomes p is equal to 6 plus r. This is the final result. We've been able to make p the subject of the relation. This is how you go about solving problems that have to do with subtraction as a force. If the binding force is subtraction, this is how you go about it. You carefully remove the pain or the barrier that will hinder the specified letter to becoming the subject. You carefully take it out from where it is in the right hand side to the other part of the equation. If it is at the left hand side, you do the same. When you're careful in what you're doing, of course, you're going to arrive at the right answer. So this is how you go about solving problems of solving. We are taking this class gradually so that you have a better understanding and you not have any reason to say that you do not understand the solving. So see you in our next other class.